Upfit here with our very first YouTube giveaway. We're going to be doing a drawing here. We're going to do 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on New Year's Day, and we'll post who the winner is. So to be eligible to win, you just got to comment on this video and be a subscriber. So the very first name we pull out is going to be this Warn Evo VR 103-253 10,000 pound synthetic line winch. Second place is going to be a Tembo Tusk Adventure Skottle kit with the burner, the bag, the whole kit ready to go. So both super cool prizes. So if you want to get in the pool here, all you got to do is comment on this video and be a subscriber, and we'll pull the names and let you know if you won. So this is our first drawing, and if it goes well, we'll start gearing up for the next one. So New Year's Day, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll be pulling the names and letting the winner know he won. Have a good one.